Type checking in TypeScript refers to checking the type of your variables. So suppose you have multiple variables in your project and in a program or in your project or a piece of code where you are working with, right? So if you want to check the type of your variable for doing certain operations, you can do that by using, there are multiple ways to do that. Here we'll be looking at type of operator. Let's get started with an example. I have defined one variable which is of type string and assigned hello world to it. Now I want to check the type of this variable. So I can do that using if type of variable name triple equals to if that is string or number. So I'll check for number here. I know it's string right now, but we'll go for number. So this is how you check for the type. And here we'll do a console.log of type number. Okay. Else, when we check type of number, it will console log this message. Otherwise, it will console log this message. Similarly, you can check for string as well. Type of some text equal to string. Let's copy paste this code. Some text is of type string. So let's try to compile this. And now let's try to run this. So here we got the output. Some text is not of type number because it's a string, and in the next if condition we have checked for the string, so we got this list. So that's about checking the type using type of operator.